our latest version of the T-Max 3000, which we now have in stock. So obviously big battery bank here, 300 amp hour lithium built in. Specs all on the page, but we'll just have them in stock now. So just a quick video to cover them. The on and off button here, just any changes we've made. This button here turns on our free AC ports. External port here to run a remote on off button for the AC. Two 12-volt sockets in here. We've got PD and quick charge in here, obviously coming in like so. 1, 2, 3, quick charge and PD. Then we've got all our switches down here for our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20 amp outputs. So very handy to run things on. Fuses for these just are easy to replace up here like that. We've got 250 amp inputs outputs. We've got like a 40 amp solar input. We've got 30 amp DC input, 175 amp output, and so an AC output here, hardwire. That is basically it there. And then just covering what's in our accessory kit here. So there's a bit of gear in here obviously. So we'll start off with an AC charger, just plugs into the 50 amp here. You can mount that if you want to. Up to you how you do it. Some extra Andersons and the 20 amp plugs here with terminals. Extra 175 stickers to put on the 20 amp switches for whatever you want to run. External on-off switch here with 10 meter cable for the AC outputs. Like a single to a triple, which we normally use if you're going to use multiple solar blankets or something. You can run the solar input here, obviously to here, into here, and you can plug solar, if you have 3 solar blankets in there, you could do that, or have you actually want to do that. And then a DC power cable kit. So this here needs to obviously run to your battery to charge it give our DC charger power that is built in. So obviously plus minus and the ACC power. So ACC power, we just include some fuse taps there, so you can just tap into a fuse that has power when the ignition is on your car. That way it's all good if you have a smart alternator and it only takes charge when the car is running. So that's everything that's in the accessory pack there.